To jump in. Look at how foggy it is. Yes guys, welcome to MURREE. Okay guys, we have about 1.8 kilometers left. Yeah, that's clear. Pakistanis are very proud of being Pakistani. It was another dangerous situation. Not sure what these are. This looks like the gate we saw in Khyber, or at least one of the gates, because to me they all look the same. Got some people taking a picture with a horse. We have 1 kilometer left, guys. We're gonna see if we still have the skills. Assalamu alaikum. Very good. Alhamdulillah.
Very good, mashallah. ठीक हो गया.
That didn't go very well. I missed one, but the others were like crooked. Alright guys, we have reached the Pindi Point. It's only a short walk from here. So let's see if we can still get a ticket. Look at this guys, you have to jump in.
आप कहाँ से आए हो?
Morocco.
मोरक्को से आए हो. उर्दू जानते हो आप?
Arabic.
अरबिक, माशाल्लाह.
Arabic, English.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह.
Your name?
मेरा नाम है मोनम शहजाद.
Monam. Sufyan.
माशाल्लाह. सुफियान भाई, आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा यार.
शुक्रिया.
वो मेरे भाई हैं दोनों. ब्रदर.
Okay.
इधर देखना भाई, उधर देख.
So far it looks relatively safe, to be
अब भाई
honest.
मोरक्को तो ने.
You see that guys? Got some people playing music. Alright guys, we have reached the end station. Let's check out what they have here. Very muddy. I have to be really careful because I have terrible shoes actually. They're worn out after all of the previous travels. This is it. Just a piece of forest full of plastic bottles, plastic bags, unfortunately. So let's continue the ride. Alright guys, we are on the way back and I've got my own seat. So how should we rate this one? Again, look at all these plastic bags, plastic bottles. What can I say? Such a beautiful place being destroyed by human beings, the smartest species on the planet. Tell me guys, would you trust that thing? I actually wonder whether accidents have happened before. Looks like it is handmade. Okay guys, welcome back. I've just changed the battery of the GoPro so we can continue this interesting walk. Look at how foggy it is. A lot of souvenir shops. But I don't want to carry extra weight. I would only buy something if it is very unique, but I think these stuff can be found almost anywhere. Yeah, apparently it really is a dollar shop. But I don't believe everything can be bought for 250 rupees. I'm trying to find something interesting, but I don't know what to say, guys. A lot of shops that are the same, like I said before. And it also looks a little bit westernized. For example, these toy shops. Some more toy shops, souvenir shops. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good?
Why are you visiting? Come
What
to our
you
shop.
have? Show me something special.
Oh my gosh. This is 250, 350.
Okay guys, let's check out the dollar shop. They say most of these things are like 250 or 300 rupiah. Assalamu alaikum. So if you see anything interesting, let me know. Some makeup. Everything 250, 300.
In pound and dollars.
Okay.
This is Imran Khan.
Pound and dollar.
Yes. This is Imran Khan leader.
You heard it, guys. This side is about £1 and that side is about $1. 250 and 500 rupiah. I promise you to check out this area, remember? And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Assalamu alaikum. Morocco.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, you? Yes, looks very delicious. They have things from Afghanistan, Pakistan, even USA. Look at this, guys. So this is the market, but look at this alley. And we are just gonna check it out. Let's go. Yeah, the barber shop. Let's see if we can get any view. No, just trash. Let's check out this side. Damn, guys, look at this. Assalamu alaikum. This actually looks like a restaurant. I'm a little bit shocked by that polluted area. I'm happy that I'm wearing shoes actually, because at first I wanted to go out with the slippers. Let's check out this view at the bus station. We've got some friends over here enjoying the greenery. Okay guys, I am exhausted.